What are you guys doing? You see anything there? Wilson? Claire? What did you see, baby? Are you looking for some bugs? There's something on the carpet. Oh, Wilson? What is it there? Claire? What are you looking for, baby? Miss Claire? Are you looking for something there? What's in there? Oh, what's happening there? I don't know what's going on. When I walked to this room, I just saw both of them sniffing on the carpet. Maybe they're looking for something. Something is moving. Maybe there's a bug. Hi, Claire. Curious. It's nighttime right now. They like to peek out like that and see something at nighttime before they go to bed. Just their nightly ritual. Dad is outside looking for some scorpions. So there's some movement in the backyard. That's why they're there. Oh, there he's back. With the blue lights looking for some scorpions in the backyard. Just have to make sure that it's safe for them to be outside too. Okay, come on. See anything there?
Huh?
Did you see any scorpion?
Yeah, found 6 of them.
6?
They're all crawling over the walls, though.
Wow.
From the neighbors. They're all juniors except for one adult.
Okay.
So, yeah, there's crickets out. That's what they're looking at. They're looking at the crickets.
They're looking at the crickets.
Yeah.
Okay, so when the weather is warmer, we're gonna take you out.
Go hunt crickets.
Yeah. Go hunt some
You know
crickets.
they're gonna eat them. They ate them last year.
Yeah.
Yeah. Surprised I found 6. Normally it's... But hey, if I start knocking them back now, then won't be any left. Because it's going to get really hot this next few days.
Yeah. That keep your backyard safe, so when you guys go out, you don't get bitten by scorpions.
Yeah, from now on, before we let them out, I'm going to go look for scorpions first.
Yeah.